So far, we've been dealing with one-to-many relationships, and honestly, that is probably 99% of the way tables are related. Also, you will see one-to-one relationships, and that is what we are going to be working on next. So we're going to go into database tools and relationships, and we are going to be adding or relating service contracts and customers. So let's go ahead and open up show table here, and we're going to add service contracts. And then we can close the show table, and we're going to be relating this to customers. So I'm going to move this over here just because it's a little easier to relate things when they are next to each other. Now, looking at our two tables, you will notice that the primary key in each is customer ID. We can relate the tables based on customer ID, but because the customer ID is the primary key in both of the tables, that is going to create a one-to-one relationship. So basically, a customer will buy a single service contract. Doesn't make sense for them to buy multiple service contracts because they waste their money. Okay, so they're just buying one. So this is going to be a one-to-one relationship. So we're going to start in the customer table, and we're going to left drag customer ID from that table over to customer ID in service contracts. And you will see the relationship type is one-to-one. And we're going to turn on the integrity rules, which basically means that you cannot have a service contract for a bogus customer. Basically, the customer has to exist in order for there to be a service contract. And there will only be one service contract. Okay, so if the customer ID changes, it will change in both places. And if the customer is deleted, their service contract is also deleted. So we're going to go ahead and click on Create. And you can see we have a one-to-one. And when you're designing database tables, you do need to kind of think about how the tables are going to be related. And one-to-one and one-to-many are the relationships that you want. Okay, those are the two types that you will typically see, and that is what you want, because they actually conform to database design rules. So we're going to go ahead and save, and then we will close.